In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate blog posts with Grok AI, Content Setup 2026. If you're new to Grok, don't worry. I'll walk you through the core workflow from opening the site to shaping a polished article. Start by opening your browser and going to grok.com. That's where everything happens. The interface is simple, and you can follow along in any modern browser. If you already have a Grok account, go ahead and log in. This part is quick and optional, but it's useful because logging in can save your chats and drafts, making it easier to revisit ideas or continue a piece later. If you prefer to explore first, you can still proceed without signing in. On the home page, you'll see Grok AI front and center. This is the workspace where you'll have your conversation with the model. Think of it as your writing partner, ready to brainstorm, outline, and produce full drafts. Right in the middle of the page, you'll notice the chat bar. That's your command center. Click into it to start a new thread. The clearer your prompt, the better your results. So frame your request like you're briefing a writer. Type something like, create a blog post, and then add helpful context such as the topic, target reader, desired length, tone, and any key points you want covered. For example, you might say you want an informative, 1,000-word post for beginners, with an engaging intro, clear subheadings, and a short conclusion. If visuals are important, mention that you'd like image ideas or captions. Grok can suggest image concepts or generate prompts you can use in your preferred design tool. Once Grok returns a draft, review it for fit. If it isn't quite your style or it's missing information, ask for revisions. Request more depth, specific examples, data points, or a stronger hook. You can say, expand the section on benefits with 3 concrete use cases, or adjust the tone to be more conversational and add a call to action at the end. Keep iterating until the structure, voice, and details match what you need. You can also ask for an outline first, then a full draft, or ask it to rewrite headlines, tighten paragraphs, and add SEO-friendly keywords. That's the flow. Open Grok, optionally log in, start the chat, give a clear brief, and refine until you're happy. Pause here and try it with your next blog idea.